Hello everyone, my name is Lainey and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun, exciting video. My sister is in town, so I thought it would be interesting if I did my full makeup with all of her makeup, or my full face with all of her makeup. And I'm gonna try to recreate her look. So here she is to tell you what she brought.
So first I brought a primer. This is the Winky Luxe Whipped Primer. I got this recently because I had a gift card, but it has a really cool consistency since it's whipped. I've never seen anything like that, so I thought I'd give it a try. And then I have the ColourPop No Filter concealers. I have a bunch of shades. I like using these for under the eye, for highlighting and brightening, also for color correcting on blemishes. And then I have a dark shade for contouring. And if you've never tried these, which my sister has never tried, they're really nice. The applicator is super soft. The formula is really creamy and hydrating. I really like them. And then to go along those lines, I also have the No Filter foundation. It's like a medium coverage. I believe it's very buildable. I don't wear a ton of foundation though, so I just don't use it a lot. I also have for blush the Glossier Cloud Paint. This is in the color Beam. It's a really natural, pretty flush for every day. And then I have two palettes, which are several depotted eyeshadow palettes. I've gotten really into eyeshadow in the past year or so. So this is about 4 different ones, and I kind of have them split up into the glittery shades and the matte shades. But there's so many glitter shades that I actually made this into like my everyday palette. So at the top row, I just have like my current like go-to favorite glitter shades, and I love doing a lot of pink looks and neutral looks. There's like a lot of browns and corals.
Yeah, so I've never used any of these products before, so I'm super excited to try them out, and I'm gonna try to recreate her look, which is, it looks like a pink, there's some purple, there's some sparkles, so it should be a fun time. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the primer. I've never used a whipped primer like in my life, so this should be interesting. Oh, it feels really nice. It's so soft. It's kind of like a marshmallow. Not that you would put a marshmallow on your face, but you know how it has that like powder on it? It kind of feels like that. It's like I'm making my face a marshmallow. So then I think I'm gonna do the foundation. So I guess I'll just apply it straight with my fingers and see how that goes. Because I don't think my sister usually uses like a rubber beauty blender like I do. And you can see my everyday makeup routine in my last video. I'll link that down below. So now I'm gonna get into the concealers for highlighting and contouring. This is the shade 18. It's the lightest shade she had because you know I love to make that contour pop. So I'll do under the eyes. Whoa, light. Wow, this is a really nice applicator. It's very like soft and spongy. And it feels really smooth on my skin. Oh my gosh, this is such a good concealer. Okay, I think I'm a convert. I need to buy this now. I'm gonna go in with the dark shade and do my contour. I typically just use powder, so this will be really like my first time doing cream, like liquid contour, so Hopefully it's not a flop, but it could be. So lesson learned from this, these concealers are super pigmented, so a light hand is good. Now I'm softening up the like harsher, like dark to light parts by going over it with the side of the sponge I used for my foundation, just to smooth it out. I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna do blush, finish out the face. Okay, cool. So now we can get into the eyes. So let me look at these colors. I think I'm going to use this shade for the base, then come in and put this on the lid, and then smoke it out a little with this purple, and then I'll probably go over the top of that with a shimmer. Probably, I think I'm actually gonna go for this silver one just to make it pop a little more. Okay, so first impression, the eyeshadows are pretty pigmented, so they have good color transfer, and they're pretty close to the shade, so I think that's good. Yeah, honestly, they're really pigmented. I'm using such a lighter hand than I usually do for my makeup. Wow, this glitter shade is super like glittery and pigmented. Okay, I think that's it for the eyes. I'm just gonna add mascara and do highlight, which are both mine, but my sister does normally do this. And that is the finished look. So my sister is back, and you can see I didn't quite recreate the look. I was trying to do it from memory, but I got a little off with the shimmer color. But I think otherwise it looks pretty similar. This was a nice like quick routine compared to my like everyday glam routine with all the baking and everything. But what do you think? How did I do?
I think you did a really good job, especially with the contour, since you said you don't normally use like a cream or liquid contour. And I really only use the concealers to contour when I'm going out or like need to make a statement. Every day I actually do use powder.
Oh yeah,
contour.
Powder is so much easier.
It's just
so
a lot
if you're
easier.
a beginner in contouring, and I'll do a video like solely based on contouring, start out with powder. Cream contour is so much harder. You saw I was like struggling. But yeah, so I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. I post there around 2 to 3 times a week, and then I post stories pretty much every day. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one.